Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel. For those who just came across my channel, I have run a website called eleftheriabusinesspr.com, and I help businesses grow their income online and actually grow sustainable income and increase your audiences online. You can subscribe to my channel. I post every Thursday videos, and you can like my channel, leave your comments below, or any help that you need in order, for me to create a video if you have any specific request. Now, in this video today, I will talk about a couple of digital marketing tips for small business owners, but also how to grow your presence and grow your numbers. Because remember, business is a numbers game and you really need to go out and get those numbers. Let's start from the website. So your website needs to be a lead generation machine. So if you, for example, have 25,000 people on your as visitors daily and you don't convert half of them, then you do something wrong. I am at present converting half of them, and I'm telling you that you really need to keep an eye on your analytics as professional marketers to help you with that. Half of people that need to be converted, or at least try to convert as many as possible. First of all, the website has to be important. It has to be, make sure your website is fast, because people, you have like 3 to 4 seconds to impress them and then to keep going into your website. So for example, mine, this is the blog base. I have my pin strategy here. And if you go here, what I advise is a beautiful website is very, very important, and is actually for you to think that a flashy or very expensive theme is not going to really make a difference if you don't follow the right tips to grow this website, to drive traffic to your website, do other things behind and work on your website, maybe with a team or maybe by yourself if you know tech skills, if you have any tech skills. You need to make sure you have a call to action on the main page, like I have here, to subscribe. Then put your offers, maybe here's for people to click, as I have my services, my Pinterest marketing courses here. And something for you to remember, guys, that the simple you do it and the easiest you do it for people, the easiest is going to subscribe to your website, rather than coming to your website, see some ugly. It's good to be pretty, but it doesn't make a difference if you spend like $500 on a theme and then you don't make any sales. So you need to keep everything in mind. And also the most important thing is for you to make easy access here. Don't make it very complicated. What you do, have an about page in order for people to click and check your website and find what they're looking for. Again, the main thing here is for you to increase your email list and leverage CRM. Very, very important part, email marketing. You need to increase your email list, leverage email marketing campaigns, send them the right time, make sure you have a campaign to be sent out to different products that you sell or offers that you're going to make to your subscribers, because I make offers onto my subscribers, to everyone. And then this is something that you need to understand. Email marketing is the best free way to increase your sales, because it doesn't cost you anything. And also sit down, write those emails and put them on, maybe writing emails for a month or 2-3 months and put them in action. Use an email marketing company and then increase, your sales. And let's be honest, we want to have special relationship with our subscribers, and we want to offer, our discounts to only our subscribers rather than to everyone. So remember that people that will not subscribe, and you want people to subscribe that are interested in your business. So you need to get as many subscribers as possible, and also to make sure that you will nurture the sale. So that's why we have that email marketing to nurture the sale and close the sale later on. As I said before, keywords on Google, keywords on Pinterest, hashtags on Twitter and Instagram. Those are very important platforms for you to work and sit down, have a list of what is you are selling, what are your customers looking for. Check out a Google, put a couple of keywords, and then put them into your content. Create content for those platforms, like for Facebook, for instance, here, and sell it, like post, engage in a conversation, ask people to like your page in order, to increase credibility. And remember, anything we do is a numbers game. I mean, where are you now? How many subscribers do you have? Check your traffic. How much traffic do you get? And if you don't convert at least half of them, you have to start thinking that your website is not lead generation machine, and this is what you need to consider. So Google keywords, and then the social media, be active, post, engage in a conversation on Instagram or Facebook, and promote. You have to promote on those multimedia advertising, on those channels. People, they need to know you. People need to know what you're selling, because you increase in credibility and you increase your audiences. You need to have a plan and sit down and say, what am I going to post on Instagram for the rest of the month? What am I going to post on Twitter? Which conversation do I need to be engaged in order to sell my products? And then advertise, and then organically as well, because you need to get those numbers, you need to get credibility. And trust me, if you do that, if you advertise on those multimedia channels, you will get more sales. People will trust you. People that come back to you, they will remember you. They say, oh, this person knows PR techniques or PR management strategies or marketing strategies. I'll go and ask them that. And you need to remember that also, these are strategies that work for everyone. And something that for you to remember is that having a plan to grow is going to help you, and it's going to give you credibility. Again, have a plan, increase your numbers. I mean, do you want 500 subscribers? How many do you have? Why you don't have those? Advertise, and advertise your lead magnet. What lead magnets do you have? Remember, we're using all those techniques, including the Google search and keywords, but do everything in place. The other thing that I wanted to say is, do not forget, monetize correctly. If you don't get the right traffic and you say, oh, I have like 25,000 visited daily or 30,000 views, then you need to make sure your subscribers are at least half of them, because you need to monetize correctly. You need to get the right traffic. This is a couple of tips for you to remember and then grow. If you just started, if you're a small business owners, you want to get, where do you want to be in 3 months' time? How many subscribers do you have? Trying to offer a lead magnet in relation to your clients and get those 3 or 4 months. Plan how to get where you want to be. You want 1,000 subscribers or 2,000 subscribers, but the right subscribers. That's why you need to monetize correctly by using the right keywords, and even including the ads. We'll talk about that. Monetizing everything is important for you to get the right traffic. There is no point to have 50,000 unique visitors on your website and you have 0 sales. Then you're doing something wrong. So this is a couple of tips. I hope you like them. And please subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and let me know if you need any help. And have a lovely day.